This episode of Richard's Tech Tip is brought to you by WHM Superb. Energize your cPanel servers today. With WHM Superb, you can offer services such as Shoutcast radio services, Icecast radio services, Mumble voice conferencing, apps installer, and also Nginx reverse caching proxy. Click to get more information today. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Richard's Tech Tip. In this episode, I want to actually test the load of the UPS when it's charging to see what sort of power or electricity the actual UPS uses, because I'm very curious to know when this UPS is plugged in all the time what sort of power it actually uses. So stay tuned, kick back and relax, and we'll get to the meat of the matter in a few minutes. Okay. Hi guys, okay, so we're back at the workstation area, and I want to show you guys what the wattage will look like. I'm not sure if you can actually see it there, but it's reading 126.02, and that's just the normal voltage. So I'm going to switch this to wattage. I'm going to plug in the UPS to see what it looks like when it's charging. The UPS just plugged in with nothing on uses 20.6 watts of power, which I think is a lot when you come to think about it. Let me switch on the UPS to see what it looks like. Okay, so it's in charge mode there, and interesting. Okay, so from what I'm seeing here, the UPS stayed at 20.6, so let's say 21 watts of power. So it constantly runs at 21 watts of power, even during charging. That's quite interesting, and surely very interesting. Hi guys, okay, so let's put it into perspective on the charging of the UPS 1500 VA. Essentially, it used 21 watts of power while it was on, not switched on, but plugged into the outlet. And also when it was actually switched on and charging, it used 21 watts of power. So let's put that into, as I said, perspective. An average fluorescent light bulb uses approximately at 100 watts, the 100 watt equivalent uses approximately between 15 to 20 watts of power. So this device is actually going to be using around the same amount constantly, day and night, while you have it plugged in. Is that good? I don't really think it is, because this device should have been able to switch off, power down when it finishes charging. I will do a test to ensure that what I'm saying is absolutely correct. But for this, at this point in time, we will assume that that is the correct voltage. We will assume that being off, that is, and plugged in, is not charging. So APC, I think you do need to do a better job at ensuring that these devices use minimum electricity when not charging, because at the end of the day, I don't really want to have a light on day and night. That is going to be, I don't know in terms of US, but that 20 watts of power will actually come up to maybe, I don't know, maybe $20 TT at least for the month, or $30 TT at least for the month. Now you have to consider the fact that that is not the only device that I have in my house, and I'm sure it's for other people as well. Is it really necessary for it to be plugged in and not really doing anything but using so much power? I really don't think so. So APC, you need to get that sorted out, because in this day and age we expect smart devices. Alright, so thank you very much guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like or dislike whatever issues you may have. Comment on the channel as well too. I'd really appreciate it. Send it to someone else. I'd really appreciate it as well. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.